Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same video transition and video speed as well to all of your videos on CapCut PC. This is going to be a super random video combo, but you're just going to simply go to video transitions here first. If you want to add the same video transition, like for instance the flashes one, add it to the video, adjust the duration here, and select apply to all, and it's going to be applied to all of your videos. And to do that with speed, just select all of your videos, go to speed, and just adjust it, and now you can actually do it. Before you couldn't, but now you can. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!